Chapter 7, Taste, Measurement and Evaluation. In this chapter, we will cover 5 subtopics. You can see in the slide, all subtopics are listed here. First topic is define taste, measurement and evaluation. Taste, measurement and evaluation in sports gives the way for students and professionals to identify and solve human performance problems in the area of kinesiology, physical education, health, and fitness, focusing on the concepts of reliability, objectivity, and validity. The text introduces students to taste and measurements and guides them through statistical decision making and accurate interpretation of data. Taste. Taste is a medium to collect information. Measurement, the collection of information on which a decision is made. Evaluation, the use of measurement in making decisions. Test is conducted in several ways to measure performance and potential in sports. However, to measure anything in the field of sports and games, standards, scales, and units of measures are required. Each test recording of measurement needs two things: a number indicating the magnitude, quantity in amount or duration. Second, a unit or standard of measurement assigned as per global standard. The test scores or the measurement data is used for guiding youth in the appropriate selection of sports, games, and physical activity programs in accordance to their body's potential. Measurement may be defined as the process of collecting information. It may also be defined as an aid to evaluation process by using various tools and techniques in the collection of data. The definition of measurement as per Encyclopedia Britannica 2008 is association of numbers with physical quantities and natural phenomena by comparing an unknown quantity with a known quantity of the same kind. Data cannot be taken as information. Measurement is only the basis of information. Measurement is evaluated against certain set objectives and rules for a particular sport and athletics. Measurement is a specific score given by an expert. Every time a test is applied on a person to get results as scores. These scores help in accurate measurement of the test. Evaluation. Evaluation is the process of making judgment based on criteria and evidence. Evaluation is the process of examining a subject and rating based on its important features criteria. To know the potential of a sport person, we use test and measurement, which provides results on a basis of evaluation for sportsmen. Importance of test, measurement, and evaluation in sports. Number one, for selection of athletes, classification of athletes for sports, studying the process and progress and development of athlete, designing individual centered training program, motivating an athlete, predicting the performance, preparing norms and standards, measuring current fitness level, conducting research, achieving objective and goals. Tests are the prime source to measure anything in physical education. Measurement is useful only when the result can be easily calculated. There is no use of measurement until and unless we will evaluate the result. Importance of test, measurement and evaluation in sports. We'll continue one by one. There are various important reasons of using test, measurement and evaluation in physical education and in sports. For selection of athlete. Selection of athlete needs to be done in a scientific manner to understand their level and potential. Participation in various sports events requires scientific evaluation and testing. The selection of candidates is often based on skill testing and the measurement and evaluation of the same. Number two, classification of athletes for sports. Athletes is classified based on their sex, age, and tests, which determine their body weight and individual height, strength, and stamina. Physical fitness is absolutely important and measurement helps determine it. Experts can determine the level of one's fitness through various tests and then classify athletes accordingly. Number three, studying the progress and development of athlete. Athletes are often placed into groups as per their statistics. Based on the data collected, it is easy to measure their progress and development from time to time. Primarily, the development of athletes is measured in terms of their neuromuscular, social, interpretive, emotional development, and agility. These all are measured through different methods and are evaluated to record the progress of the individual sports person. Number four, designing individual centered training program. The test, measurement, and evaluation helps in finding the weakness and strength of an athlete. On the basis of the findings, necessary individual training programs can be fixed to overcome weaknesses is any and enhance on the strengths. For example, a test of cardiorespiratory test on a sprinter may show a very low level of anaerobic capacity. On the basis of collection of the results, the expert then can provide appropriate individual extra anaerobic training to such athletes. Number five, motivating an athlete. Test and measurement is not only conducting to measure the ability of the sports person, but it is also set a standard which enable to set parameter against which evaluation can be done. Measured and evaluated test scores can help serve as a motivation. The more motivated the athlete, the positive and faithful will be towards his sport and games. Measurement in physical education gives it the extra edge it needs. By enhancement, the performance of an athlete may get motivated to work harder and improve his performance levels. Number six, predicting the performance. With the help of the test, measurement, and evaluation procedure, the performance levels of selected athletes can be predicted and thereby also improved. Test and measurement also enable the expert to predict the performance on a given time. Number seven, preparing norms and standards. The test, measurement, and evaluation progress as in norms and standards of different sports and games. It also helps in maintaining standard of performance expected from a sportsman and to establish age, sex, and level standard for different population groups. Number 8, measuring current fitness level. Physical education teacher or expert should be able to measure the current health levels of his athlete. He should also know the past health standing of his athletes. Records of various fitness levels should be maintained and recorded time to time to continuously track performance. For example, the fitness status is noted by testing basic fitness components like speed, endurance, agility, flexibility, and strength, etc., with the help of specific skill test. Number 9, conducting research. Conducting continuous and comprehensive research is the key to understanding the upcoming activities and development in sports. Research is inevitable in physical education to keep abreast with the various ongoing findings which may help a person to perform better. Measurement and evaluation is a tool which enables the researcher to collect valuable research data to study the relationship between body type and athletic performance in the field. Number 10, achieving objective and goals. While being coached and trained, athletes should understand the objective and goals to be achieved during training period. If the athlete does not achieve the necessary goals, trainer should modify the training program for achieving the listed objectives and goals by focusing on the specific observations made on the results for tests and measurements.